All American build today. Let me see, it's raining. We got a storm coming on and Sioux Falls is totally covered. We took the side pipes off. They were just holding this thing back. It just was not letting it breathe. I talked to some people and they said, man, you got to get those off of there. And so we took them off and we've never heard it uncorked, just to the headers. And we're gonna do a cold start and see how it runs. What do you guys think?
Sounds great.
Now this is what is it, Tosh? 510 lift on the intake and 490 lift on the exhaust. Balanced, blueprinted, 358 roller rockers, Vortec heads, Keith black pistons with the Edelbrock, with the 750 double pumper, electronic ignition, of course. Roller rockers, if I said that or not. But we've never heard it uncorked. What do you guys think?
Sounds great.
We'll see what the heck this thing sounds like. Watches Billy the Kid, and it looks like Tommy got a 61 Ford Falcon, and when he seen that, he got kind of upset. First thing he said, Billy the Kid, I'm coming after you. Anyway, it was funny. But hey, Tommy, Billy the Kid, we are South Dakota Pride with the 605. We picked this car up about, say, a little bit over a year ago. It's been sitting for years. I got title for it, it's licensed, and rock and roll. And here we are, a little bit over a year later. Better shut her down. Right on, guys. Keep on clicking. All American build. Stick with the 605 South Dakota Pride. What do you think, Ethan?
Yeah.
This is Ethan the Kid.
Yes, I am Ethan the Kid.
Ethan the Kid. Right on, guys. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.